channel. If you're new to my channel, then hi to all of you. I am Somi. Watch this video till end and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share my channel. So my today's video is a review video where I'm going to review Bella Vita organic products along with you guys so that you can buy it and use it. I hope you guys know this Bella Vita organic brand. It is actually an Indian brand where they supply the 100% organic products, and I can sure that it does not show any type of skin irritation or any skin problems because I am using it. So my skin is quite very sensitive, so I can say that you will not feel any type of skin problems with this product. So I will recommend you to buy these products, and as you can see here, I have these 4 products along with you guys. So firstly, I would say the Bella Vita organic products, they are having the huge varieties of products with them. I am going to tell you one hair care product, one face care product, that is one skin care, and 2 from the perfume ranges. So let's get started. So the first product which I am going to share you is a perfume. This is the Bella Vita Organic White Oud Unisex Perfume. It actually comes in 100 ml, and as I'm talking for the packaging, it's a cardboard packaging. Inside this we are having the perfume. It's a glass bottle, so they wrapped with a small soft sponge. So this is the perfume. I already used this 2 times and I feel so amazing that like I can feel the freshness in this perfume, right? And even it stays, like it is long lasting, so it actually stays for 9 to 10 hours. And I'm using this when I'm going to very nice places like parties and all with my families and friends. So I will recommend you to buy this one because this is the best one if you are going out with some special ones. Fragrance of this is the sweet and the floral texture, like it's a mixture of the sweet and the floral fragrance, and I love this smell. Even this is very affordable because the actual cost is about 999 rupees as it is written here, but if you're buying it from Amazon or from the Bella Vita Organic main link, then you will get it for 500. So I think it is affordable, right? And as it is unisex, so it can be used by both men and women. This perfume is for 100 ml, and in the back side of this cover you can see the whole details written here. The MRP is actually for 999, but you can get this for 500 rupees. It can be used best before by 36 months. This is actually a premium long lasting oriental fragrance captured classy bottle. It can be best for both day wear and an evening wear. Thing I'm going to review is this perfume. This is the Super Oud Bella Vita Organic perfume, and I can say that this smells actually the same like the Gucci Intense Oud, which is very damn expensive. So I can say that this is the best alternative for that Gucci Intense Oud because this smells exactly same like that, and it is from Agarwood. Even this, it is for 999 rupees, but if you're buying from Amazon or from the main link of the Bella Vita, you will get it for 500 rupees. And the fragrance is the sweet woody texture fragrance. This is also a long lasting perfume, like it can stay for 8 to 9 hours, and it is best for the everyday use. One thing I like to mention that whatever I'm sharing the reviews, I will add all the links for all the Amazon link, or whether it's a Nykaa link or the Bella Vita Organics main review link. I will give it in the description box. You can go from there and you can buy your own loved products. As you can see, this one is also for 100 ml, and you can have all the information in the back side of the box. The ingredients are showing already here, and the same range, that is for 999. This is a no gas body perfume. It is long lasting, and you can have that soothing experience throughout the day. It leaves you feeling refreshed for a long time. Next product which I am going to share the review is from the hair care, right? So this is the Bella Vita Organic Growth Protein Hair Conditioner. I am experiencing a very bad experience with my hair because my hair are very frizzy, dandruff type, right? And even the split ends come. But after using this product, I can say that I feel so changed that literally my hair got smooth and it is so silky that sometimes I feel like if you're using some different shampoo, after that you should use this conditioner because it may be like even they're having the shampoo along with them. If you want to buy, you can have that, but basically I use my Tresemme or Dove shampoo, but I use this conditioner because it is so good and well. Even this is having the aloe vera extract, glycerin and a coffee extract. So this even there is some shea butter and cocoa butter, so it makes your hair so smooth. And I think you must be thinking like why it is filled. This is my second bottle which I'm using till now. I already finished first bottle, so I'm loving this product, hair conditioner. This consistency is like quite thick in nature. This bottle is consisting of the coffee, herbs, onion, coconut, keratin and black seed. These are the most important things which your hair needs if they are frizzy, dandruff and hair fall issues were there. This bottle is for 225 ml, and I am using this for 1 month according to my hair length. And if you're having too long hair, then you can use that according to your hair type. Now I will show you the price for this. Here it is written rupees 399, but you can have this for 275 rupees from Amazon. I already mentioned you that this conditioner will improve your hair quality with the Growth Protein Natural Hair Conditioner. It also reduces the breakage and damage. The one and only the last one is the Oil Control Face Wash. This is from Face Care range. This face care is basically for those who are having the acne problems. We teenagers or adolescents are having too many problems with acne. As you can see, the acne already there in my face. So this is activated charcoal neem vitamin E face wash, and it is actually black in nature. I use this only once and I can see the good results in my skin. And it deep cleans your skin. It removes all the blackheads and whiteheads. And this activated charcoal actually helps to detoxify your skin and remove all the dullness and dryness from your skin. Also, I can say, the main thing which it is consisting is the aloe vera extract, neem and the vitamin E, which is very much required for your skin to glow and look shiny. This bottle is for 115 gram, as you can see here, and the price for this is written it is 299, but if you're buying from Amazon you can get this for 199. And I would definitely recommend that this is very much helpful for your skin who are having their like the acne problems with their skin. It actually controls excess oil secretion, reduces the acne and pimple breakouts, detans your face and reduces the sun damage. One last thing I want to mention, that many people, even me also, we are having that like doubt that whether it will cause any irritation to my skin or not, like anything will happen to my hair or not. I would say that this Bella Vita organic brand is very natural, very organic. I am using this. I didn't feel any type of problems with my skin, but still if you feel any type of problems, I will share the link of the Instagram ID of Bella Vita Organic. You can directly DM them and clear all your doubts there. Also, if you want any type of suggestions, you can comment down below. I will clear all your doubts. So thank you so much guys. This is all about my review for the Bella Vita Organic brand. Bye.